Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a dairy-free chocolate pudding. Yes! Oh yes, we are! For all those people who have been missing out on delicious chocolate pudding due to lactose intolerance, this is the recipe for you. I am using almond milk in this recipe, but feel free to use oat milk or whatever milk substitute you like. You could really use traditional milk too, but that's besides the point. This recipe also does not use any eggs, which are traditionally in a pudding. It uses cornstarch instead, so not only is it dairy-free, it is egg-free. I've been holding on to this song request for a while, but keep those song requests coming because if I haven't used it yet, I will in the future for sure. For once in my life, I'll have a dairy-free pudding, a pudding with almond milk. For once, a delicious dessert that won't kill me. Hey, you know what I'm talking about. For once in my life, why am I singing? Let's get to this. Sugar, cocoa powder, cornstarch, no eggs, salt. Stir together. Turn to medium-low heat. Add in your dairy-free milk, stirring until combined. About 5 to 10 minutes. Use a whisk if you need to fully combine at this stage. As it thickens, you should be able to pull the pudding back so you actually see the bottom of the pan. Keep stirring. It's been about 30 seconds and it has gotten quite thick. You can see it's making swirling patterns. Go ahead and remove it from the heat. Add in your vanilla. Stir to incorporate. So we are ready to add the chocolate. Stir vigorously for about 30 seconds. Add into your ramekins, your serving bowl, or whatever you're serving in. I'd like you to think about what you can do to make this your own. For instance, you could use a totally different type of milk. I used almond. You could use oat, coconut, cashew. The possibilities are endless. But you could also use a different flavor of extract. This had vanilla in it, but what if you added butterscotch or coconut or rum? So many possibilities. And then there's the chocolate option. If you don't like dark chocolate, don't use it. Use a different type of chocolate that you like because it's all about what you like. So let's give this a taste. It's very creamy. It has the true consistency of pudding, even with the almond milk and no eggs. It is creamy and rich and delicious, and I'm not sure anybody would know that this was made with a milk substitute and did not have any eggs in it. This really is delicious. If I can make this dairy substitute chocolate pudding for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check me out on Instagram for so much more.